What's up, everybody? Gibson's Lawn Service checking back in with another one. Man, I was sitting here getting frustrated. If y'all ever have a mower when you turning the key and the only thing it's doing is clicking, I have an X mark radius. All right, the starter solenoid is known to go out on the X mark radius. I'm not gonna sit here and say I love working on my machines the way something tear up, I know what's wrong. No, because I did not want to deal with this. So when I pulled the mower off the trailer this morning, it was just click, 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 click. I'll show y'all what I done. First step, I replaced the starter solenoid, which is this right here. Like $30. I replaced that. The last time it clicked like that, that's what it was, a starter solenoid. So I went and done my whole route for the day. Bought a starter solenoid. Thinking I was gonna change that, be done, go and shower, eat and chill. That wasn't the problem. If it's not the starter solenoid, you probably have a dead or bad battery. If it's not that, it's this right here. Y'all see that? Hold on. This right here. I found a guy on YouTube, the only video I found, and that's what it was. This, over a period of time, raises up and will get stuck on the top of here. Right. Only thing I did was took this cover off, twisted this until it fell back down, turned the key, it fired right up. If you got a that look like this, this is an X Mark / Kawasaki / Toro engine. I just upgraded to a commercial grade air filter. If your engine look like this and you got one of them 3 problems, 9 times out of 10 is that. It raises up and gets stuck and can't turn. Just spin it to push it down, it'll fire right up. I'm about to shower, go in here and go to sleep. Peace.